Have you ever wondered where the story ends and how it all began? I do. Did you ever dream you were the movie star with popcorn in your hand? I did. Do you ever feel you're someone else inside and no one understands? You are. And wanna disappear inside a dream, but never wanna wake up. And then you stumble on tomorrow and trip over today. Would you be happier if you weren't so on together? Put sunshine